GTS.
Guys, my name is Alex. This is my BMW M4, and last week I got a GTS Flash with Alex at Alpine. That includes GTS steering, DCT programming, differential programming, and GTS traction control. He also coded a few other things like folding in mirrors when locking and daytime running lights in the rear. And so we're going to show you how that process went and what it's like afterwards. I've been driving with the Flash for about a week now. The biggest changes I've noticed were the transmission and differential. The transmission feels a lot smoother. It's not as jerky anymore from a stop. Upshifts and downshifts happen faster. Overall, the transmission has become smooth and perfect. It doesn't have as many attitude problems at low speeds, and at high speeds it's even better than it was before. Differential controls the rear a lot better. There's no more squirming when you press on the gas, it just goes. The smallest change was probably the steering. The only thing that I've noticed, there's no more like a rubber band trying to fight from behind the scenes somewhere. The steering just feels a little bit more direct and less artificial. Traction control allows you to have a little bit more fun in the MDM mode. It allows you to get your rear out, but then reels you in before you get into any trouble, and it's definitely less intrusive than the original was. The sound also changed in the car. It feels just a tad bit lower, and now it has the GTS pops and burbles, so the car sounds a little bit more exotic, but it's not as annoying or obnoxious as some would think it is. It's just there, gives the car a little bit more personality, and it changes based off your modes from efficient to sport plus. Efficient, there's no burbles. Sport plus, maximum burbles. I'd highly recommend you get it flashed. I went with Alex from Alpine Motorsports. He made it really easy, send in all the required equipment, got it flashed in 30 minutes, and the car was ready to go. And you can get anything coded into it, like I got folding mirrors when you lock the car and rear daytime running lights, and you can get many more things like change the gong. He has a full list on his website of things that can be done. Overall, I'd highly recommend that anybody who owns an F80, F82, M3, M4 to get this done. It makes the car feel a lot more confident, gives it more personality, and it just makes the car perfect.